It's 2 a.m. The world is asleep, but you're not. You're scrolling, working, pushing through, telling yourself that sleep is a luxury you just can't afford. But what if I told you that for every hour of sleep you lose, you're not just losing time, you're losing a piece of yourself? Today, our Medic Stick takes us on a journey inside the brain and body to witness the chaos that unfolds when the lights never go out. Meet your brain. On a full night's rest, it's a supercomputer, a bustling, vibrant city of electrical signals firing perfectly. Information flows freely. Now, here's your brain after just one night of bad sleep. The vibrant city is shrouded in a thick gray fog. Communication lines are down. This fog is why you can't focus, why you read the same sentence 3 times. Let's look closer at the prefrontal cortex, your brain's CEO. When it's tired, it gets lazy. Your decision-making becomes reckless. That extra slice of cake, that impulsive online purchase, you can thank your sleepy CEO. What about your memories? Deep within the brain is the hippocampus, your memory-saving clerk. During sleep, it diligently files away your day's experiences. But without sleep, the clerk is overwhelmed. Important files like where you put your keys or what your boss just told you get thrown into a digital trash can, lost forever. The damage isn't just logical, it's emotional. Your amygdala, the brain's alarm system, goes into overdrive. With no sleep to calm it down, every small problem feels like a 5-alarm fire. A spilled coffee becomes a catastrophe. A simple comment feels like a personal attack. This is your brain on a hair trigger. Okay, that's the brain, but the silent destruction is spreading. Let's travel down to your body's command center, your immune system. Think of your immune system as an army of elite soldiers patrolling your body. Sleep is their boot camp, where they train and rearm. When you skip sleep, you skip boot camp. Your army is weak, disoriented. Menacing viruses and bacteria, once easily defeated, now march right through your defenses. That's why you get sick so often when you're tired. Feeling hungry? Let's investigate the hormones that control your appetite. Meet Ghrelin, the go hormone that screams, "I'm hungry!" And Leptin, the stop hormone that says, "Okay, I'm full." Sleep keeps these two in perfect balance. But sleep deprivation throws them into chaos. Ghrelin, the hunger monster, gets stronger, while leptin, the voice of reason, gets weaker. You're left with insatiable cravings for junk food. This hormonal imbalance is a direct pathway to weight gain, and it's happening without you even realizing it. The ripple effect continues. Your blood vessels, normally relaxed, become tense. Your blood pressure starts to creep up, putting silent, constant strain on your heart. Even your skin pays the price. Sleep is when your body produces collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm. Less sleep means more fine lines, dull skin, and dark circles. In fact, studies have shown that just a few nights of poor sleep can make you appear significantly less healthy and approachable to others. Let's put it all together. A foggy brain, a failing memory, a short-fused temper, a weak immune system, uncontrollable cravings, and a strained heart. This isn't just being tired. This is a system-wide breakdown. It's your body waving a giant red flag, begging for a recharge. But here's the incredible part. This damage isn't permanent. Your body has an almost magical ability to heal. And the cure isn't a pill or an expensive therapy. The cure is sleep itself. The moment you start prioritizing rest, the fog in your brain begins to lift. Your memory clerk starts diligently filing again. Your emotional alarm system calms down. Your immune soldiers return to boot camp, emerging stronger than ever. Your hunger hormones rebalance. So how do you do it? Start small. Aim for just 15 more minutes of sleep tonight than you got last night. Create a power down hour before bed. No screens, just calm activities. Make your bedroom a dark, cool sanctuary dedicated to one thing only: rest. Don't think of sleep as lost time. Think of it as a superpower.
Superpower.
It's the ultimate performance enhancer, the most powerful medicine, and the best investment you can ever make in yourself. We hope this journey inside the sleep-deprived body was eye-opening. For more animated guides to help you master your health, subscribe to the Medic Stick. Now, go be a hero. Get some sleep.